If you planted a green manure last autumn, now is a great time to cut it back and dig it in. Green manures are hard-working crops that cover the ground in winter. That stops weeds taking over and provides cover for wildlife. By digging them in now, you put goodness back into the soil and add organic matter to make your beds perfect for your plants all year. If you haven't tried them, why not give them a go?
If you have a young tree in your garden, it will really benefit from a layer of mulch right now. Make sure you water the tree well first, then cover the area under the tree with a mulch such as peat-free compost to roughly 5 centimetres deep. Keep the mulch away from the base of the stem and you'll have prepared your tree well for the season ahead.
As the weather is warming up, it's a good time to take heel cuttings from Mediterranean plants like this lavender. Take a non-flowering shoot and peel it from the stem, leaving a small heel. Trim it down and remove any lower growth. Insert 2/3 of the cutting into a pot filled with free draining compost. Water well and put somewhere warm to root.